Many people don't lose fights because they lack the technique. They lose because they never saw the danger coming. They were looking at their phone. They were distracted. They ignored the warning signs. They ignored the environment. They ignored their instincts. Most threats announce themselves before they happen. A change in behavior, a change in distance, a change in tone of voice, a suspicious glance, a hidden hand, a feeling that something isn't right. The problem is that many people see the signs and ignore them. They don't want to appear rude. They don't want to appear paranoid. They don't want to believe danger exists, so they stay. And staying too long in the wrong place can change everything. Awareness is not fear. Awareness is paying attention. The sooner you recognize a problem, the more options you have. The later you recognize it, the fewer options remain. Avoid what you can, survive what you can't.